This is the end of Man City. It saddens me, I don't know how, because I'm a Manchester United fan. I should be excited. But anyway, I am excited, but it's sad to see how they're literally going down. What I'm saying is, yesterday, Man City was playing Brentford. And one thing I've realized about this is literally like the person that scored like 2 goals, which is Foden. I'm just not understanding how they're playing. Like literally, De Bruyne was trying all his best to literally like, yo, let's get this on. Okay, the goalkeeper Ortega, I don't know what was going on with Ortega. Pep was literally pissed off with him. Like, I don't want to lie, he was pissed off with him. I wonder what, but he was literally, I don't know, it was literally at fault, but I don't want to blame this on him also. Okay, with yesterday's game, it was him. I feel like it was him also. I don't blame Pep for literally being furious with him. But what I'm saying, the reason I'm saying is the downfall of Man City is because they no longer have that team spirit, you know. Their players are not happy. Like literally, Kyle Walker said it, like he wants to leave. Like imagine a player playing for Man City and literally just saying, I want to leave. You know something is going on and you know something is not going right. You know, Walker literally just said he wants to leave. If I was me, I won't lie, I don't blame him for wanting to leave, because I feel like he's no longer the player they had. But nothing lasts forever in life, so something has to end. He no longer paces the way he paces. I feel like he's no longer even switched on, like focusing like on the ball. Like he's no longer focused the way he was. Or there might be something internally happening with Man City that we don't know of, that he knows of, you know, and he just wants to leave. And I don't want to lie, bro, like the players are no longer those players like we used to see of Man City. Like, you know, they would work as a team, you know, they would motivate each other, you know, they would push each other. Like you could literally see them most of all the entire games, like they're literally down, they're no longer that motivated. You can see they're always yelling at each other. You can see also even by the coach. I don't want to lie, Pep right now is going through the most. And imagine the mastermind of the plan is no longer like mentally with the plan, is no longer, okay, he might be mentally with the plan, but he's mentally disturbed. You know, I'm not saying this in a bad way, but Pep is going through the most. Pep literally is getting bad, scratching his face, losing. Obviously, he's going to end up leading by the lose. He's getting divorced. He just got divorced by her wife. You know, clearly something is going on. And so imagine, literally, this is literally like, imagine watching Money Heist, and Professor is literally going through the most. Imagine the plan is not going to go the way it should, you know. So Pep is literally just going through the most. I feel like he is going through the most. I don't think they should sack him. Pep is too smart to be sacked, and he has done more for City to be sacked. But I feel like he's going through the most. He just got divorced. He's yelling at players. Like, when last time did you see Pep yell at the player? Like, Pep could literally talk, you know. That's one thing, like, I feel like literally was good about Pep. He could talk to players, but right now we could see him yelling at players, you know, losing his temper at players, you know. So imagine the mastermind of the plan is literally losing his mind, and his mind is no longer with the plan, so everything's gonna go wrong. So I feel like this is the end of City. I don't want to lie, I'm happy as a Manchester United fan. Look at where they are on the table. Like this is not the Man City we know, you know. Okay, I know it's too early to say Liverpool might fumble this also. But anyway, what I'm saying is, when last did you see Man City fumble a 2-0 lead? Especially at that time in the game. But anyway, man, I'm just a Man United hater. Just let me know how you feel about Man City's situation currently in the comment section. From me, Mr. Sparkles, I'm just happy they losing, man. I'm out, man. Peace. I'll see you in the next one.